Today we're going to make a jellyfish. We're going to use a coffee filter. I chose to use blue markers, so I have a bunch of different colors of blue markers. You're going to need a spray bottle, and you are going to need some curling ribbon and some paper streamers. I did mine all in blue, just thought blue would be fun for it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the coffee filter and make sure you put it on top of something. You are going to take your marker, and you can use whatever color you want. You do not need to use blue, but make sure you put a lot of color on it. We have done a craft like this before. We made it into a butterfly, but we can do all kinds of, we can make flowers using this, and we can make all kinds of fun creations. So I'm just going to put a whole bunch of blue, and then when I am done, I am going to spray my water on it. Don't put too much water on it. If you put too much, it's going to all bleed away, and then you won't have the pretty colors. But I did one earlier. I want to show you what it looks like. I used those same colors for it. I took it and I folded my coffee filter in half right here. And what you're going to use the ribbon for is you're going to stick it on as the tentacles. So I'm going to put one there, and then I'm going to take a streamer and put it next. And then I'm going to take some more curling ribbon and put it next. And I already had mine prepared with tape on it. I'm going to put another streamer, and then I'm going to go ahead and put another piece of ribbon. I'm going to turn it around so you can see what my jellyfish looks like. Have fun creating. Bye-bye all.